Hey beautiful people, it's your girl, PH. Today, we're diving deep into the art of styling oversized clothes without losing your shape. We're talking about those key pieces we all love, like oversized sweaters, blazers, and trousers, and turning them into fashion statements. Get ready to master the balance of proportions, accessorizing like a pro, layering for that extra, and finding the perfect shoes to complete your look. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fashion tips. Alright loves, let's kick things off with the golden rule of styling oversized pieces balance. It's all about creating harmony in your outfit. Think of your outfit as a scale. If one side is heavier, you need to balance it out on the other side. This ensures you look stylish and put together. So when you're rocking that fabulously oversized top, pair it with something fitted on the bottom. This contrast will highlight your silhouette beautifully. Now the same rule applies when you're feeling those oversized pants or wide leg jeans. Balance them with a more fitted top to keep the look chic. To avoid looking overwhelmed, pair them with a more fitted top. This way you maintain a flattering shape and avoid looking too bulky. Trust me, this simple trick will instantly elevate your oversized game. You'll feel more confident and stylish in no time. Now let's talk about defining your waistline, because even with oversized pieces, we want to accentuate that beautiful figure. One of the easiest ways to do this is with a belt. Imagine this. You've got on that flowy, oversized shirt dress that you absolutely adore. Simply add a belt to cinch in your waist and boom! You've created a flattering silhouette while still keeping that effortless vibe. Try tucking an oversized shirt into a pair of high-waisted jeans and then adding a belt on top. Remember, belts aren't just functional, they're a stylish statement piece. They can transform your look instantly, adding a touch of sophistication or a pop of color. Experiment with different belt styles from wide to skinny, and see what works best for your outfit. A statement belt can be the focal point of your ensemble, drawing attention to your waistline. So, don't be afraid to play around with belts and make them a key part of your wardrobe. Okay babes, let's move on to layering, because who doesn't love adding a little extra something to their outfit? Layering is a game changer when it comes to oversized pieces. Here's a classic example. Throw on a fitted turtleneck and some slim-fit trousers. Now layer that oversized blazer you love over the top, and voila, instant chic. The key to successful layering with oversized pieces is to keep the outerwear structured. This will prevent you from looking bulky and keep the overall silhouette sleek. Accessorize like a pro, elevating your oversized game. Now, let's talk accessories, because they can make or break an oversized outfit. Think about it. You've got on a cozy oversized sweater. Adding a statement necklace instantly elevates the look, drawing the eye upward and adding a touch of glamour. Or try pairing your oversized outfit with a structured handbag. Don't be afraid to go for bolder pieces like chunky earrings or a statement ring. Step up your shoe game. Footwear for oversized outfits. Let's talk shoes, my friends. The right footwear can elevate your style and make a bold statement. Because even with the perfect oversized outfit, the wrong shoes can throw off your entire look. Imagine wearing elegant trousers with clunky sandals. Total disaster. For a casual, everyday look, chunky sneakers are your best friend. They're comfortable, stylish, and add a modern twist to your outfit. They add a bit of edge and balance out the volume of oversized pieces. Plus, they come in so many colors and designs, you'll never run out of options. Now, if you're going for a more dressed-up vibe, knee-high boots are a total game changer. They elongate your legs and add a touch of sophistication. Or, try pairing ankle boots with oversized trousers and a tucked-in top for a chic and effortless look. This combination is perfect for both work and play. Fabric and fit, the unsung heroes of oversized style. Now, my fashionistas, let's talk about fabric and fit. Because oversized doesn't have to mean shapeless sacks of fabric. Choosing pieces with quality fabrics and structured fits is key to pulling off the oversized look with confidence. When shopping for oversized pieces, look for intentional design elements. These little details make a world of difference. Own your oversized style. And there you have it. 6 tips to style oversized clothes without looking frumpy. From balancing proportions to adding structure, these tricks will help you look effortlessly chic. Remember, confidence is key. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more styling tips and fashion hacks. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more styling tips and fashion hacks.